पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
पीएन गाडगील ज्वेलर्साचो स्टोर पणजेच्या लोटस कोर्टा लागसार उक्तो जाला. बॉलिवूड अभिनेत्री रवीना टंडनान स्टोराचें उक्तावण केलें.
You're a jewelry lover and I'm sure the store will do well. We have been in the business for last 185 years. Along with gold, we do diamond, we do silver. एक हमारा brand है Silver Style, which is stylish silver jewelry. वो brand malls में online very popular. We also have it in our stores here.
आज ये बहुत ही एक सक्सेसफुल स्टोर है और आज मैं बहुत I'm feeling a sense of pride to be associated with such a beautiful legacy that has been passed down family through the generations. Today not only for the fact कि jewelry ज़रूर आपको संवारता है, सजाता है, the fact that today I believe it's the wisest investment to make.
घरगुती सजावटीचे सामान, फर्निचर आनी बांदकामाक लागपी सामानांचे खासा प्रदर्शन बांबोळे श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमार जालें. सोमारा सांज मेरेन प्रदर्शन चलपाचें. इंटिरियर एक्सटिरियर आस्थापनाच्या ह्या 3 दिसांच्या प्रदर्शनाक लोकांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो.
We have got around 85 to 100 participants with us, with various products of more than 200 products participating here at the interiors and exteriors. Solutions from having homes, you can have a home which is makeshift home which are available here now. Different solutions from log homes to building and construction products. We've got decorative items, we've got tiling, flooring, electronic security systems, windows, doors, and everything that a home and an office would require.
गोवा कंझ्युमर एक्सपो चिखलेच्या स्पोर्ट्स संकुलान 2 फेब्रुवार मेरेन चल्ले. दिसपट्टी लागपी सजावटीचे आनी बाकीच्यो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सामान तशेंच कपडे आनी बाकीच्यो गजाली प्रदर्शनाक दवरिल्ल्यो.
This exhibition is just to bring all products under one roof. Like we have crockery, carpets, cosmetics, toys, kids wear, and dress materials, and so many other stuffs which you can enjoy and you can buy at very cheap price, and all those things would be antique.
Bureau report, Prudent.
ह्या सिजनाच्या आय लिगांत आयतारा सांजे साळगांवकार फुटबॉल क्लबान पयलें जैत जोडलें. स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाक 2-0 मारले उपरांत साळगांवकाराचो कोच डेरिक परेरा बरोच उमेदीन दिसलो. 4 गेमी उपरांत साळगांवकाराचे 5 पॉयंट जाल्यात. दुसरे वटेन स्पोर्टिंग अजून एकूय मॅच जिखिल्लो ना. 3 मॅची उपरांत 1 पॉयंट जाला. ह्याय मॅचीत गोलाचे चान्स वगडायले म्हूण कोच मॅथ्यू दा कॉस्ता बेजारलो.
Very happy, first of all, getting 3 points against a team that everybody was talking that we hardly, we don't beat them, and broke the jinx, I suppose. It was a hard-fought victory. Our defense played well, including the goalkeeper made some very good saves. Subrata came at the right time whenever he was needed to help the team. He was there. As usual, going forward, we knew that we would struggle, but today was much better. Created 2-3 chances in the first half. I think Estlin missed a sitter. Could have just stepped in. He missed one. Also, another 2 Jairu could have taken up. We could have done better in finishing.
In fact, I think we were the better side, especially in the second half. But then things didn't go our way. We had to score the simple goals. We would have changed the complexion of it.
You had so many good chances.
That's what I'm saying. So that is another thing. If you reflect on the last few matches also, the way we played today, only the thing that is the only thing what we can take as a positive one.
But football is ultimately
scoring goals.
Scoring goals.
इतल्यान खबरांचे त्रांगात सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.